I just rode this thing up and it did something very weird. The other one's broken, by the way. Oh, what? The lantern stays lit now? This leveling's unacceptable. Alright, let's see what this thing does going up. It almost sounds like it's low on oil. This leveling, though. Almost sounds like it's struggling to go up. I feel like it's low on oil. These always are pieces of junk. And that's it.